Hello everyone, I am Karan Jain and I welcome you back on our channel Probably. Today in this video we will learn how to add contacts to Infusionsoft from Google Sheet. Okay. Now suppose you have a business, you are running a business and you are using Keep for your business purpose. Now Keep, which is also known as Infusionsoft, is a CRM application. Okay. Imagine as soon as a new lead is generated for your business, you want to enter the details which you have created. You have created a spreadsheet in your Google Sheet account and you want to enter the details, the data of that new lead there. And at the same time, you want to enter the details and create that new lead as a contact in your Keep account. But here's the problem. If you'll follow the manual process, you have to first manually type and enter the data in your spreadsheet for your new contact. And again, you have to manually add this new lead as a contact in Keep. This process will be very long, which will kill your time unnecessarily. So to save your time, I suggest you to bring some automation here. You want something like, you have created a spreadsheet in your Google Sheet account where you are adding the details of your new lead. Now, as soon as you will add the details here in your spreadsheet, automatically it will create a new contact in Keep for that new lead. So for this, I have used two applications here. First, I have used Google Sheets. I have created a spreadsheet here where I am adding the details of my new lead. And secondly, I have used Keep. You know, it's a platform, CRM platform, which we are using for our business. Okay. But here I have to face one more problem. The problem is there is no direct link or integration between these two applications. So how I have performed the automation? Let me tell you. With the help of Pabbly Connect. Now you people will say, what is Pabbly Connect? So Pabbly Connect is an integration and automation software. What it will do, it will help us to link both of these applications together so that every time we will enter the details of our new lead in our spreadsheet, automatically the same details will be added as a new contact in our Keep account. Amazing, right? Now let me tell you one more amazing fact. To use this software Pabbly Connect, you need not to have any technical background. A non-technical person can also use this software very easily. Now let me show you a real-time example on my screen. Okay guys, so the idea here is we will add the information of the particular client here, and as soon as we will add the information here, we want automatically this data should be added as a contact here in Infusion. Okay, so I'll add a contact. Let's say our contact's name is Swapnil. Okay, Swapnil 000@gmail.com. This is the date, and let me put the phone number. So let's say this is the phone number. Okay. Now we have added the information here. We'll go to our Infusion account here and we will refresh the page. And guys, you can clearly see as soon as I have refreshed the page, automatically the information of our client which we have added there in our Google Sheet, automatically that information has been added as a contact here in Infusion account, Infusionsoft account. So now you must be thinking how I have managed to do this integration process just by entering the data there in our Google Sheet, how it can add as a contact that information, it can convert it into a contact and automatically add into our Infusion account. So let me show you the process of integration on my screen, guys. Okay guys, before we start with the process, let me tell you 3 easy steps of integration as you can see on my screen. Step number 1 says connect Google Sheets to Pabbly Connect with the help of webhook URL. So what we're going to do first is, we'll log in into our Pabbly Connect account. Then we will integrate our first application, which is Google Sheets with Pabbly Connect. Why we are integrating Google Sheets with Pabbly Connect? Because we have created a spreadsheet in our Google Sheet account where we want to enter the data or capture the data of our new lead. So first it is important to integrate Google Sheets. Then step number 2 says collect the data from Google Sheet in Pabbly Connect. Now the data which we will enter in our spreadsheet, the information of our new lead, I want that same data to be transferred in Pabbly Connect. So step number 2 says the same. And step number 3 says send the same data to Infusionsoft Keep to add new contact. Okay. Now Pabbly Connect in the end will send the same data to Keep so that Keep can create a new contact for that new lead. Okay, now let's start with the process, guys. Okay guys, so to start with the process, you have to first open your browsers, come to the search engine, and here you have to search for Pabbly. Type Pabbly, remember Pabbly, okay? Now as you can see on my screen, this is the website page of Pabbly. What you have to do next is click on products and you can see all of the 5 applications offered by Pabbly. Today we are in use of Pabbly Connect, so click here. And now we have reached to the landing page of Pabbly Connect. For the first time users, if you can see a green button at my right corner which says sign up for free, guys, you have to click here and you can create your free account, completely free account in just 2 minutes because I am already logged in. So I'll click on sign in. Okay, once again, you can see all of the 5 applications offered by Pabbly on my screen. As you know, today we are in use of Pabbly Connect. So come here and click on access now. Okay guys, so this is how the dashboard of Pabbly Connect looks. We have reached to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Now we have to create a new workflow. So for that, come to your right corner where a blue button is given which says create new workflow. You have to click this and a mini box will appear in front of you. Now it is asking to name your workflow. So let's say I'll name my workflow as Google Sheet to Infusionsoft. Okay, now I have given the name to my workflow as the name of the applications we are integrating today so that I can remember it afterwards, but you can name it accordingly. Okay, now I'll click on create and we have entered the workflow. Here we will be performing the steps of integration and you can see the title name which we have given to the workflow, Google Sheets to Infusion. Let me rename it. It should be Sheets here. Update. Okay, so Google Sheets to Infusionsoft. Now what we have to do, before we start with the process, let me first tell you important information. Let me give you an important information. The workflow which we are creating today, this same workflow, I'll add the link of this workflow in my description box. So you can go visit the link and directly clone the same workflow into your free Pabbly Connect account. So guys, don't forget to go and check. Okay. Now, again, before we start with the process, let me tell you first what is trigger and what is action. So let's read out what it is written here. Trigger, when this happens, choose your first application trigger, action, do this, choose your next application, action. Now, in this particular case, trigger event will be entering the data in Google Sheets. Now we have created a spreadsheet in our Google Sheet account where we are entering the contact details which we want to add in Infusionsoft. So the trigger event will be adding the contact or the details in Google Sheet. And in response, what we want as an action, automatically that contact should get saved in our Infusion account, Infusionsoft account. Okay. So you understood, trigger is happening of an event and action is the response to it. Now, let's start with the process. So to choose our first application to integrate, you have to click here on your first application, come to the search field, and here you have to search for Google Sheets. Google Sheets, as you can see on my screen, I'll click this. Now a new field of trigger event has emerged in front of you. If you'll click this arrow, you can see the trigger event, which is new spreadsheet row. I'll click this and now a webhook URL has been generated in front of you. So what we're gonna do is we will with the help of webhook URL, we will integrate Google Sheets and Pabbly Connect. But before that, guys, please read the instructions what they are given below. Why I am telling you to read the instructions? Because when you will read the instructions, you can create your workflow completely by your own. You need not to follow any other tutorials. Let me read the instructions for you. Here it is written. Create a new spreadsheet, then navigate to the add-ons and click on Get Add-ons. A dialog box will appear. Now search for the Pabbly Connect webhook add-on, install it and refresh the page once. Now move to the add-on option and click on Pabbly Connect webhooks. Click on the initial setup option, but put the webhook URL provided above and enter the trigger column. Okay, now let's first perform these 4 steps of instruction. Now let's go to our Google Sheet account. Let me take you to my account on Google Sheet and let me show you the particular spreadsheet I have created for this workflow. Okay guys, as you can see on my screen, this is my account on Google Sheets. Now this is the particular spreadsheet I have created, Google Sheets to Infusion. Okay, Let me open it. So here I have given some subheadings, the information I want from our customer, his name, his email ID, his date and mobile number. Now what we have to do, we have to integrate this spreadsheet with Pabbly Connect. So what you will do, first we will enter the data. Let's say we will enter our customer contact, which we want to get added in our Infusion account. Okay guys, as you can see on my screen, I have added the information of the customer which I want to get saved in Infusion. Now what we have to do, we will integrate this Google Sheet with Pabbly Connect. How? According to the instructions, we have to first click on extension, then we have to click on add-ons, and now click on get add-ons. A mini window will open in front of you, which will be Google Workspace Marketplace. Now come to the search field, and here you have to search for Pabbly Connect Webhooks. Pabbly Connect Webhooks. Click here. Now this is an add-on provided by Pabbly, so it is important to first install it. Because I have already installed this add-on in my system, so here it is showing installed. Now after you will install this add-on, you have to close this tab and now refresh the page. Guys, refreshing the page is very important. Why? Because after you will refresh the page, then only when you will click on extensions, here you can see a option for Pabbly Connect Webhook as an individual option. Now what you have to do, click on initial setup. A mini box will emerge in front of you asking for two fields to fill. First it is asking for the webhook URL, and second it is asking for the trigger column. Now let me tell you what we have to do here, but first let me take you to Pabbly Connect account. Here you can see a webhook URL has been generated. Okay, now you have to copy it. Here you can see the status has changed from capture response to waiting for webhook response. We'll go back to Google Sheet and simply we will paste it here. Now guys, trigger column. What is trigger column? Trigger column is the last column of your Google Sheet. So this is our spreadsheet. Okay. Now the last column of our spreadsheet is column D. So trigger column will be D. Okay, remember the last column of your spreadsheet, mine is D. So here I am entering D. Yours can be anything, E, F, G, H, I, J. Remember, trigger column will be the last column of your Google Sheet. Okay, now I'll click on send test request. And you can see clearly the data, this information has been sent to Pabbly Connect automatically. Now let's go to our Pabbly Connect account and we will see, yes, here the data has been captured successfully. This was the name of our customer, the email ID, the date and the number. So we have successfully done our first step. Now we will hop on to our next step, which is integration of Infusion by key. Okay, why we are again integrating Infusion here? Because we want the same details to be added as a contact in our Infusion account. So it is important to integrate Infusion here. Click the next application button, come to the search field. Here you have to search for Infusion Soft by key. Click here. Now a new field of action event has emerged in front of you. If you click this arrow, you can see the various action event. We have to choose for this particular action event, which is create or update contact. Now why we are choosing this particular action event, create or update contact? Because when we will enter the data, the new data of our customer in our Google Sheet, we want from Infusion that Infusion should check that this customer is being added in their contacts or not. If he is already added, then Fusion won't do anything of this contact as a duplicate contact. Or if this contact will not be added, so Infusion will automatically create this contact in the CRM in their customer base. So here that's why we have chosen the action event as create update contact. Now I'll click on connect. Okay, here a mini window has emerged which is asking for two options, add new connection and select existing connection. So I'll click on add new connection and now I'll click on connect with Infusionsoft by key. Okay, let me log in here. Let it load for a second, guys. It is asking for the authorization. Okay, I'll click on allow. And as you can see, I've been successfully authorized in here. Okay, now we have to fill up the required fields here, guys, as you can see on my screen. But let me tell you what you have to do here. we have to first map the email ID. Okay, how we will map the email ID? You have to click on the search field. The scroll down will appear in front of you. If you click on the scroll down, you can see the responses here, down here in the scroll down. Now these responses are the same responses which we have captured above here in Pabbly Connect. Now this option of mapping data is given to you by Pabbly, because whenever you are required to fill up the value in the fields, you need not to go up again and again, search for the value, copy it, come down and paste it. Instead, you can simply map the data. How? Click on the field, scroll down will appear, go to the responses and search for the particular value. Now we are searching the contact with his email ID. So here we will be entering the email ID. Here it is written clearly how to check for duplicates. Okay, now it is asking us how he will check if this contact is already added or not. So I am telling him that he will check with email ID. So here it is written email. Okay, here you can see other options are given as well, email and name and company. So I have chosen email. Okay, now this field opt-in will stay no only, you need not to do anything about it. Now opt-in reason, you can give anything. Now first name, we have to map the name. Again, you will click on the field, you will come to the scroll down and simply you will map the name. Okay, here again it is given last name, so I have kept the full name in first field only, so I won't be entering anything in last name. Now coming to the job title, you can give the job title if you want. I am not giving any job title here. Now these billing address street, you can fill up according to your need. I'm not doing anything about it. I'll come down to the phone number part. I'll map the phone number part. Let me search for the phone number part. So here is the phone number. I'll map the phone number. How? I'll click on the responses part and I'll simply map the phone number. Now I'll come down. Here. I'll map the date as well in the board date. Okay, so this is the date. And now what I'll do, I'll click on save and send test request. But before that, let me tell you guys, here you can see if there you can see any contact under the name of Kalyani Wagh till now. You cannot see here any contact added under the name of Kalyani Wagh. Okay, now I'm showing you this because as soon as we will click on save and send test request, it will automatically search for the contact in Infusion, and if we won't find any contact with this name or with this email ID here, it will automatically add the contact here. Let me show it to you how. Let me click on save and send test request and we will see the responses. Here it is written input value is invalid. So we have entered the date in the wrong column. So I'm not entering the date. Okay. Now again, I'll click on save and send test request. And here you can see we have successfully captured the contact in our Infusion account. So here our responses are positive. Now let me take you to my Infusion account here. Okay. We'll wait for some time or we will refresh the page. And we will see if the contact has been added automatically here or not. Yes guys, you can clearly see the contact with the name of Kalyani Wagh and the email ID has been added here and the date has been updated automatically. Now let me show you a real-time example. As soon as we will add a new detail of our customer here, automatically that customer will be added here. Let me show it to you how. Let's say the customer's name is Yashraj. Okay. Now email ID is yash000@gmail. Date. Let me enter the date and the number. Okay. So I have added this. Now we'll go to our Infusion account and let me refresh the page. And guys, as you can see on my screen clearly, Yashraj, the contact with the name of Yashraj has been added here in Infusion. Now let me take you back to our Pabbly Connect account here and let me tell you what we have done once again. First, we have chosen Google Sheets in our trigger event so that we can connect with the particular spreadsheet where we are entering the data of our contact. And secondly, in the action event, we have chosen Infusion by Keep, because we want that same data to be added as a contact in Infusion. So it was a very simple workflow of only two steps. Now guys, this workflow, the workflow which we have created today, I'll add the link of this workflow in my description box, so you can go and click on the link and you can directly clone the same workflow into your free Pabbly Connect account. So don't forget to go and check. Hello guys, before you leave, let me tell you, not only just these applications, but you can integrate tons of other applications by using Pabbly Connect. If you want to contact us, this is our email ID, admin@pabbly.com. If you have any further queries, you can always visit to this website. And guys, if you really liked our video, please don't forget to like, share and hit the subscribe button. It will really keep us boosted and we will keep providing you such videos. Thank you.